The bull run in the market continues. So does there's a news I'll tell you which is very important. Next time when you go to ATM, if you are not getting 2000, you should be happy. I'll tell you why. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap Up. This is Kishore here. Sensex went up by 307.66 points and the same closed at 51,422.88. Nifty went up by 36.4 and the same closed at 15,435.65. The pharma sector was the only one which went down, remaining all were up today. Tata enters online grocery market by buying major stake in Big Basket. Finally, they are also in the big league, so they will be competing with Reliance, Flipkart as well as Amazon. So the news says that they have made 64.3% stake is been bought by them, and they have spent approximately 9,500 crores is what the expert report says. And with this, they will also be buying Alibaba Group holding in this particular company. So that's a good thing. The shocker that I told you with regard to 2000 notes in India is 27% of the 2000 rupee notes has been pulled back from the circulation and the printing of the same has been stopped. At the peak, there were 6.72 lakh crore worth of notes that were in circulation, which were of 2000 denomination, but now it's at 4.9 lakh crores. So slowly it is getting reduced. So whoever has kept it in your cupboards thinking that it will always be safe and government will never remove it, probably it is time for you to think. And if you have it, probably you can deposit it in your bank account so that you don't have to face any problem in future. This is what I would recommend, but don't panic, you still have a lot of time. At the same time, government considering policy tweak and allow 100% FDI in BPCL. So BPCL privatization has a new story today wherein government is planning to sell their 52.98% stake, and Vedanta, which is a mining company, was one of the bidders along with few other institutional investors from abroad. So government is now thinking whether to sell it to local company or they plan to sell it to a FDI, that is foreign direct investment company. So let's see what will be the further development here. Firms line up to bid for the vaccine makers, and vaccine makers have a new story. They say that we will directly deal with the government. Yesterday only we told that Reliance is in talks with the pharma company to buy vaccinations so that they can have their own employees and their family members getting vaccinated. But now this companies come forward and say that we are not interested to deal with anybody, no companies or no corporates and no agents we have. So for example, if there is any pharma company locally who goes to government and says that I'll supply Pfizer or Moderna vaccination to you, what will be the price and other things, this has not been allowed is what this companies say. So this is again a good move. So let's see how this particular thing will go circulate or develop going forward. Dubai government finally enters into the Bitcoin space. Dubai coin is what they introduced just 24 hours back at almost around $0.17 dollar, and it has gone up by 1000% what the report says. So there are a lot of good things that are happening in cryptocurrency space, but in India it is not yet legalized, so we have to see what will be the government's move or the RBI's move going forward. Apart from this, the top gainer for the day is Reliance, which went up by 6.01% and the same closed at 2094.80. The top loser for the day is Sun Pharma, which went down by 4.25% and the same closed at 669.75. Gold and silver both have gone down. Gold right now is trading at 48,431 and the same is down by 150 rupees. Silver right now trading at 71,196 and the same is down by 523 rupees for every 1 kilo. USD has gone down by 19 paise and the same is right now trading at 73 rupee 81 paise. Euro has gone down by 35 paise and the same is trading at 88 rupee 16 paise. There is no change in petrol and diesel prices in India today, but crude as such in international market is going up. Right now the price for each crude contract in the market is 4,877 and the same is up by 26 rupees. Delhi government is relaxing the lockdown from 31st of May is when they would relax the lockdown. Along with this, lot many other states are coming out with their own lockdown policies. With this, the economy may open up, and with market hitting 3 trillion market cap today, there are a lot of uncertainty that everybody is being foreseeing. Yesterday I told you that RBI is telling that there may be a bubble which can burst anytime. So I would recommend people to keep looking at the market carefully, and please buy it in dips. Whenever there is a dip, please start buying it. Probably tomorrow there may be, Monday morning there may be somebody who may be selling it and want to book profits. So it's opportunity for you to start picking up good company stocks so that you don't have to miss out. Everybody may have this apprehension that I may miss out a lot of things. So fear of missing out is something that everybody has. So don't hesitate. Start buying it in bits and pieces. So do stay safe and happy weekend.